Hello everyone, today I want to talk about PRESEARCH. If you've been following my channel, you know I love PRESEARCH and PRESEARCH is my default engine. I love the project, what they've been doing. I love that it's decentralized, private and secure, and I know kind of the future plans are exciting. So I support the network by running 14 nodes. So right now I'm earning tokens by running these 14 nodes, and eventually I want to get to 1 million tokens. So that's what I want to do today. I want to show exactly what I'm doing to get to 1 million tokens, kind of the time frame that I'm looking at, and some of the developments that are really encouraging in the project. So let's get into it. I love these background images that now PRESEARCH has on every homepage. Every time you search, you get a new picture and you get the photo and the author who took that picture. Something that I really like is that you can customize what search engines you're going to be displaying in the main page. So you can go here to your user and do search providers, and opens up the customization, and then we can drop. I'm not going to use probably DuckDuckGo. I'm going to remove that, just drag it and drop it. I'm not going to use an Etherscan. So I'm going to be adding Polygon. Just find out that Polygon scan is part of the search engines added, just added. So Polygon is there. Let's see what else. We got YouTube, Google, CoinMarketCap, Twitter, and Polygon scan, and the default search engine. Perfect. So I'm gonna leave that there. Let's go refresh, go back. All right, I love it. So new image, and these are my default now. I can search on this. All right, and what's the most exciting news? I think is the integration with AI. So now PRESEARCH is integrated with AI PRESEARCH. Here you can see PRESEARCH is excited to announce that integration of AI results powered by PRESEARCH AI is available to the community for those who hold pre-tokens on the platform. So now you can do searches and get AI results if you hold, I think, I believe 10,000 tokens. So you need to hold at least 10,000, and then you're gonna get PRESEARCH integrated results in your searches, which is amazing. I think that's a great way. Let's try it out. Let's say, do you program in Java script? Let's say, yeah, as an alien language. I don't program in a language. However, I can help you with questions related to Java. So now we have PRESEARCH AI integrated result. Here it says, these results are generated on the fly using PRESEARCH AI technology. While often useful, the result can sometimes contain strange and incorrect information. We know that. If you wish to disable PRESEARCH result, you may toggle off in the page settings. So you can disable if you don't want it. By default, is integrated here. That's nice that we have AI. I think it's the future. Now, recently released, I noticed that we just released something new here. Let's go here. It says, we're pleased to share that PRESEARCH has launched its new homepage takeover ad unit, which is the first advertiser layer 1 blockchain and wallet provider. So apparently now providers or advertisers can advertise their projects on the background page here on the main page. So see, here is the first one, Tenet protocol. So I mean, by doing this, they get to like around 4 million PRESEARCH users. All right, let's go to the actual strategy that I'm doing. I have 14 active nodes, and my goal is to get to 1 million pre-tokens, okay? It's gonna take me, if I keep doing this strategy of accumulating all the pre-tokens and restaking them every month, it's gonna take me around, let's see when I'm gonna get to 1 million, around January 2029, all right? So about 6 years, 5.8 years with the current strategy. It will be nice to have 1 million pre-tokens. Now, given the price of pre, let's look at the price of pre. You know, kind of wanted to bounce it here around what? When was that? Around March 23 months, and it reached 14 cents. You know, I thought that would be a nice starting of the recovery. From there, it kept going down. We'll see if we can hold this 4.5 cents. But the main idea is now that we have these new lows, I'm gonna keep accumulating. And why I'm doing that, because if I keep with this strategy of just compounding all the interest on all the pre-tokens that I get, it's gonna take me quite a few years, so 6 years. So recently what I did is I just bought 30,000 more tokens. I have around, let's double check what I have right now. I have 101, 101,500. So let's put that here in May, finishing May, 101,500. All right, so by doing that, you can see the line, we can curve and we can accelerate the pre-accumulation. So given that the pre-token is at lows right now, it's at new lows, we can use this as in our advantage and accumulate more tokens. So I just added 30,000. I have distributed those in my most reliable nodes. So you can see, you can search, you can sort this by reliability score. I'm gonna say there. So the highest first, 90. It's quite a nice score. So my PRESEARCH number 7 is top 1, and then I have a few here, 89, 88, 88, 87. So what I've been doing is I've been assigning, and that changes. So for instance, I've been putting my 10,000 tokens on the top ones, and now it changed. I gotta now probably the next round I'm gonna assign more tokens to these guys. You can see I have some here, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Let's take a look at what a 10,000 node give us on a given day. We'll go here, reliability score, we get 9.6. So 9.6 token on 10,000. Let's take another one just to sample a few of them. That's here. Let's get here, 9.6 again. All right, around 9.6 on this token. So my estimations is that I'm accumulating around, this is pretty accurate. I'm accumulating around 2,600 pre on a given month. And that's the idea, right? You just keep accumulating, assigning to the existing nodes. I'm not gonna purchase more BPSs because there's a cost associated with those. I'm gonna keep doing, but by doing that, I just move the $1 million mark to February 2028. So one entire year, I just push it in, right? 1 year earlier, I'm gonna get 1 million. So what I'm gonna keep doing is, let's say in November, I wanna have 129,000 tokens. I'm gonna probably purchase another 30,000. I'm gonna, let's say I had 150. So that would jump again. So see, we create that acceleration. And then we're gonna keep accumulating. So by doing that, we just prove, let's see where the 1 million mark is. Now it's around November 2027. All right, and that's the strategy I'm gonna continue using. See if I can increase the total amount of PRESEARCH stake tokens. See if I can shorten the time I get to a 1 million pre-tokens. In the meantime, I'm gonna continue renewing my Contavo services. These are my BPSs. They cost me around $8.49 each node per month, and I subscribe them for like 1 year to get the discount. So all this revenue that you see here, we still need to account for the cost, which will be $8.49 times 14, so it's a fixed cost. Did I do that right? 849, no, 849. That's about 119 a month. This is a fix. Let's see if we can do a fix. Yeah, we can do a fix. I'm gonna do this. So my net is right now, yep, let's do that. Right now the net for March was negative $3 given the price of pre. If it stays at these lows, I'm gonna start making, right now I'm making $6 a month, and then I'm gonna, if I continue doing this, I'm gonna keep you see it starts ramping up significantly here. Next year it's gonna be even better, 300 by the end of next year, and then the following is 600. Even that if it stays at these lows, right? We hope that the price of the pre-token will increase. Let's say it reached 10 cents at one point, let's say, even though it reached even higher, but when we get to a 1 million, we're gonna have 100,000 staked, and just with 10 cents of pre, and then that's around $4,000 a month. Okay, and this is it for this video of PRESEARCH token strategy. Let me know if the comment section below, what is your strategy? Are you running a PRESEARCH node? Have you set up PRESEARCH as your default engine? It will be great to hear from you. Thank you to all the comments you guys been providing me. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and see you in the next one.